Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this video I'm going to give you my #1 top tip for sourcing products online, whether you're dropshipping on Amazon or eBay. Now, I've been dropshipping for 4 years now, and I have accounts in the US and the UK on both Amazon and eBay, and also Shopify. And I find this tip really useful. Now, I get all my training, all my tools, all the strategies that I've ever learned have all been through Infinii, and I can't recommend them highly enough. Absolutely brilliant. Everything's kept well up to date. But this top tip is actually not contained within the training. It's a secret I'm going to pass on to you today. So if you are selling on Amazon, you'll have the Amazon Seller app. If you're not, then just take out an Amazon Seller account and download the app, which you'll find in the App Store. And then you'll find this really useful whether you're selling on Amazon or selling on eBay. Now, everybody knows when you've got the Seller app that you can scan items. When you're out shopping, you can scan the barcode. All you need to do is click on this little icon here, and a scanner will pop up, and you'll be able to scan the barcode and find out whether the item is contained within the Amazon catalogue or not. And you'll see the price, etc., and whether it's worth you buying it and sending it on to Amazon. And we have all that training within Infinii, how to do Amazon FBA. But for this is where you are sourcing online. So if you open up your computer, take your phone, you've got the Amazon Seller app open, click on this icon here, and you will be able to scan the photo. So we're not scanning a barcode. You can actually be able to scan the photo that you see on your screen of any item. So you could be looking on eBay and scan items from eBay, or you might be looking at items from any suppliers that you're using. Just literally hold your phone up to the screen, make sure you've got plenty of light, and if you see these little dots here, this is it scanning that photograph, and it finds it within Amazon catalogue. You'll get this screen appearing here, and you'll also get a lovely vibrate, which is very satisfying. The vibrate means it's found it, and you're not hanging around for ages wanting to know whether it's listed on Amazon. So you can see here you've got the rankings, and you can then decide which listing you're going to go for. You'll get the full product details, you'll see how many offers are on that item, and you can then list it straight from your app. All you need to do is pop in the quantity that you're listing, the price, and the condition, and literally click the Submit Your Listing button, and there you go. You've got your item listed on Amazon. But very useful for those of you still selling on eBay. You can just click on scan an item on eBay and see whether it's an Amazon or not. So hopefully you found that really useful, and if you did, I really highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you'll find a lot more e-commerce videos there. You'll also I'll be sending more information. You'll also find links below in the description of the video, and if you like the video, please click like, and if you've got any questions at all, just drop them in the comments below. And if you're watching this on my Dropship Blonde Facebook page and you want more information, just click the Learn More button, and I'll send you some more info. And I highly recommend that you click the See First button. All you got to do is click on following on my Facebook page and click the See First, and then you won't miss any of the new videos that I've got coming your way. So that's it. Hopefully you found that useful, and bye for now.